Hey, I figured out how to uh, modify the base game textures. So we can use textures, we can use models from the Dying Light game and change their default textures. So first thing we do is we're going to create a new project, texture mod. So we will get the model we want to modify. We're going to use this one for this example. So we get this, then we go to materials, and this is the name of the material. So we copy that name, we can close the tools, and then we copy this empty material. It's just a default empty material. So we copy that, texture mods, the name of our project, data. We can create an import default folder. We paste that in, and then we give this the same name as the material we saw for the model. It will be DLC garage floor concrete. So we go in, we could add the textures we're going to use directly in here, but we can add it through the tools. So we get the texture we want to use. We put it in the import default as well. So we open the tools again. We get the model, put the model here. So now we go to materials and we can edit this file. So this is the default texture. So let's just change the material for the texture. See how it's done. So now we can edit this. It's the same thing as importing a custom model. So we just add the texture. And it's easy. So this gives an advantage, so you can use the roads which connect to each other through the hooks. So you can use the default roads to create roads easier using the models that the game has, but with our own textures. So yeah, that's basically it. Now to reset this, after you close, I'm not going to save changes because I don't want to keep the file, but to revert this back, we only have to delete 3 things, or actually 2 folders. So we delete the import default folder created in the asset PC folder and the shader cache. So we delete these 2, and then this file is created when we import our texture for that model. So all you have to do is get the same file that is created when you create the project. So this file is the default file. So we just replace this file with the other one created, replace in destination. So if we open the tools again and we get the model, we'll see that the default texture is applied. So that's a way of resetting the default textures to the models. If you do a mistake or you don't want to use a custom texture on that model, you can just revert. So as you can see, this is the list of the materials used for all the models in the game. So you can basically change everything. I don't know how to change I haven't tried to change the textures of models that have multiple skins. I don't know how that would work. So we're gonna see the model with the default texture then. So yeah, there it is. Yep. So it reverted back, so you don't have to worry about that. So yeah, that's it for the video. Bye.